The Auxilium Roilang Institute for Sustainable Empowerment, ARISE, Pendeng Ray, yesterday distributed tailoring machines to 22 trainees who successfully completed their training program. The ceremony held at the ARSTC Nongstoin Pendeng Ray premises also saw trainees receiving citations from Radiant Infonet New Delhi, recognizing their dedication and skill development. The training program, which equipped participants with valuable tailoring skills, was funded by the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS under the Labour Department through the Skill Meghalaya initiative.
Kan set ya direction nyepi ya bafin hadin habur sukses nyepi dimenta pemkosan kalau bafin gain experience.
And now let's have a look for the weather report.